Stylish 2 living levels offer income potential. Renovated 2021 offers new siding, roof, windows, exterior doors, flooring, AC, landscape and dock west/bulkhead 3 slips and parking for boats, skis and more. 2 kitchens. First floor gray kit cab stainless appliances, L/Lev new white kit cabinet and appliances. Renovated baths. New luxury vinyl flooring. Modern light fixtures and details complement the upper level 2 bedrooms and opens to the dining/living room that leads out to the deck overlooking the lake. LL Studio/3RD bedm full bath, walk-in closet. LL leads to private covered sitting area. Level lawn to lake promenade boardwalk and boat slips west/parking along the open bulkhead west/73 feet of waterfrontage. 5 mph location making this a tranquil setting. End of street offers Jefferson hike and bike trails. Walk to tennis/b-ball and park.